spell it out. You wouldn't read it if you could, never had a doubt. But darling, I think that you should. Would you marry me? My hollow form right next to yours for eternity. You're part of me and so obscure. Say you'd do anything for me 1,000 ways. Say something you hardly mean. I don't want you to walk until I give up my soul. Baby, hurt me, cut me deep and hold me close. You always say you'd do anything for me 1,000 ways. Say something you hardly mean. You don't care. You say you love the clothes I wear. Don't you dare. I'll change my name, you change your hair. Siamese, please shatter me. Peripheral right next to me. You're in the blind spot on the nerve. You're so much more than I deserve. And the clock is ticking down. I've done my time to bail you out inside someone else's house. You're so selfish and devout. You always say you'd do anything for me 1,000 ways. Say something